Hopefully, COVID-19 has led you to be more vigilant about hand hygiene. We've always stressed proper hand hygiene at Phoebe. It's crucial to the safety of our patients, drastically reducing cases of healthcare-associated infections. Our Safety First commitment includes new Clean Hands, Safe Hands technology to ensure we're following hand hygiene protocol. Sensors are included in every caregiver's Safety First badge and every gel dispenser at a patient care room. If a caregiver forgets to use sanitizer when entering or exiting a room, the system gives them a gentle reminder.
Please sanitize.
The system tracks our hand hygiene compliance in real time. Results aren't used to punish anyone, but they show how we're doing and if there are areas that need additional education. It's one more way Phoebe is putting your safety first.